welcome back to a beautiful and sunny Prairie Sunset Ranch Farm vlog. I'm Aaron, and thank you for tuning in, my friends. Well, we have gone from freezing our yichies off out here all the way to it rained. It rained last night. I woke up to a skating rink. So the weather has warmed up, and this is our key or indication, our small time frame to bring the animals home. We want to bring the cows and their calves home while the weather's nice. We have a few nice days of this. So in this episode of Prairie Sunset Ranch, we are going to demonstrate how we bring the cows and their calves back from their summer pastures to their winter quarters. We also are going to show you how we very simply and effectively wean the cows from their calves. We're going to do this both for the cows and the heifers. However, the heifers aren't going to be weaned from their calves in this weekend's video. We let the heifers relax for an extra few days, you know, let them chill out and enjoy the new scenery. So that's enough chit chat, Aaron. Let's get chasing some cattle. Let's pitter patter and get at her. Woo! So first off, I want to start the snowmobile up. We want to get the snowmobile going. We're going to have the Kawasaki meal going. We're going to have someone at the corner. I'm not too worried about them running into fields this year because there's so much snow. To cross the ditch, they're going to be going through snow up to their neck. So we do need a snowmobile in case we got a calf or two that takes off into the field. You'll never catch a calf on foot. So we do need a snowmobile going. So hopefully the battery's charged on that Yamahuchi Nitro of mine. Let's go see. Now, if you like Prairie Sunset Ranch Farm videos, please remember, hammer that thumbs up, hammer that subscribe button. It's free, I promise. I'll give you a second. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. It's done. Let's get on with the show. Had on the charger there. Yes, it's shut off. I hope. Otherwise, it's grounding out right now. Let's get this. No pull start on a snowmobile. How crazy is that, eh? Oh, pin. Anyone that snowmobiles or knows snowmobiles might know of the Yamaha Nitro. One of the best, yet one of the most frustrating machines they ever made. When it's working, it's okay, but it's like a car. It has lots of electronics. And electronics in cars don't like to get wet. So I don't know. Not a super big fan of it, but hey, it rips your arms off, so how can I complain? Can't even see the gauge, it's iced up. It sounds like crap because I have crappy fuel in it right now. I had some dyed farm fuel, regular. I gotta change the filter on it, but I think it got a little bit of moisture in it. So I gotta pour a couple cans of fuel stabilizer in my big bulk purple tank. Maybe seafoam, something like that. But let's get this warmed up. Let's go for a rip. Let's go see where the girls are. So that's good. Cows are down in the bush. So I think we're okay. I think this is a go-ahead. Let's head back, get the tractor warmed up. I do have one concern. My concern is that road is slippery because of all this beautiful rain we had last night. Look at that. The road is like a skating rink. We're not going to push them too hard. We're going to try to lead them slowly. We don't chase them, we lead them with a bale. So we'll try to lead them slowly, but there's a few girls there that like to go high gear all the time. They're always in that rabbit state. Road gear. Wish us luck. We got Buddy here. He's watching that driveway. We got a truck down here so they don't turn here. This is blocked off. It's go time, people. All right, so Dad's got his old 2755 tractor just puffing away there. He's got the bale. I don't want to go in there. I don't want to get stuck. There's just too much damn snow to drive in. But he's going to lead them all with the bale. So our deal is we want to make sure they're all back, which I don't see any walking for water. So hopefully we're golden, but we're going to have to do a check back there after. So as you can see, a little bit of a process. Gotta drive backwards. Could have taken my tractor with the rear forks, but Dad loves his old, I think it's a 1990 2755 Deere. I think he's rolling over 17,000 hours on that tractor. Starts every time. Original injectors, original everything. And it's unbelievable, that tractor. It's just crazy. Here comes all the girls, so I better almost get back to the road. And we got our bully at the end there. He's all blimped out. He hasn't been working very hard. He gained a few winter pounds already. Beautiful sight. I absolutely love this time of the year. When we bring these girls and their calves back, I just love it. It's just the best. When that spring or summer comes, they come out to pasture. Yeah, it's a little less work with animals, but I really do miss it. I think if you're a cattle rancher, you probably know what I'm talking about. It's a good busy. I guess, at least when things are going good, right? I don't see any issues here that I can see, nothing limping or anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go jump in the mule and see how they do on the road. Everything picked up speed now. Look, they're going in the ditch. I'm surprised by that. I was hoping they wouldn't do that. I'm gonna jump in that mule. Veering off, I gotta go get them. I don't know where they're going. Well, that went pretty darn good. Hey girls, welcome back. Welcome back, my friends. Beautiful. Well, I'd say that went pretty good. Well, everyone was on deck there. Snowmobile dude was good on there. We had a road dude and a truck dude. So, yeah, no, it went really well. It's easy when there's this many people for crowd control of the cattle. It goes really well usually. Well, when there's this much snow, where are they gonna go, right? Typically. Well, we're just weaning these, so we take the mothers off the calves. We don't take the calves off the mothers. Much easier this way. So, yep. Cows kind of know. Look. They kind of know. Here, let's.
There's one more here.
Okay.
That one wants to come.
Yep. Gonna open up this gate, let them in. Look at the snow here.
One calf out of here, the biggest one.
Perfect. Excellent. Here. Here, girl. Yep. Here. No. Yep. Good. Come on, girl. Let's go. Yep. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl. Here, girl. Come on, girl. That's right. Yep. Yeah, good job. Excellent job. Good job. Oh, here comes another one. No, leave this one in here. Leave this one in here. She's tame. She's a leader. Well, here, let's get this young one out. This is a young one. She's not really a leader cow. I don't want her. We'll get a couple of these younger cows out and the bulls. Let's go. Here. Let's go. Let's go, bully. Here. Let's go. No. Here. Okay, these guys. Oh, you got the bull, that's good. I want that bull out. She's easy to handle. Yeah, let's let these in. She's mellow. Yeah. So we want to leave about 3 or 4 cows, but we got too many in here right now. There's probably about 8 left. They kind of wean themselves. Most of them want to get out. Right, this group. Yeah. And get that big red one there at the feeder. Yeah. And that black one. Yeah, both of them. Yeah. There we go. Yep. Now just give a little bit of pressure. Let's go. Hey. Little bit of pressure. 3. Perfect. Yep. Let's go. Yeah. Hello, ladies. Hello, my ladies. Come on, let's go. Go manger. Yeah, they got food. Come on, you got food waiting. Let's go, sweetie. Let's go, mama. Hey, bully. Come on, big man. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Yeah, I will. Here. Well, that's okay. They'll go. This one cow is a troublemaker. I want her out. I was querying to call her. I didn't, but I wish I did because she's a little silly. She's not tame. She doesn't really fit into her. She might be a call this year. We'll see what she does. Okay, Mom. Don't let the calves out. Here, here. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. There we go. I want her out. Perfect. She's a.
Just leave the rest.
Yeah, there's only 4 left. Yeah. Okay, girls. Yeah. Thumbs up. Mama says thumbs up, so it must have been a good day. Always good when you have friends and family with you. We kind of try to make this a family affair. We have fun most of the time, eh? Kinda? Come see, come saw. Most of the time. Calves look beautiful. Very nice crew. Couple smaller ones, couple really big ones. I'm pretty happy with the looks of them. Nothing looks actually alarming at all. I don't really see a skinny one. Couple young ones, but that's expected. Is that, well, like that one, but it's young. It's young. It's RFID'd. I'd have to check his tag. Got some tanks like that one. Pretty happy. Right, I'm gonna give you a lesson on this Ukrainian gate. You're too high. You must not be Ukrainian. Here you go. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go get the heifers there, champ. All right, Dad's just pushing a little path for them. So we're just gonna keep both gates open. I don't know which way they're gonna go. There's lots of snow in the ditch, so I'm not sure. We'll have to get these girls out. I got a little spot that I cut. There was a gate, I mended it up, but I gotta do a good gate here next year. To make them a little path here. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, ladies. Yeah. There we go. Come on, ladies. Come on, my girls. Come on. Fish on, as they say. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, ladies. Come on. Come on. What? Come on. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Go this way. Go. 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 Let's go. So I'm gonna go there in the mule, and they'll want to follow me. So I'm gonna go in through the other end. Okay, I'm gonna go through the other end, bring them all. Perfect. I can't go there with the mule. I'll get stuck. Couple little hiccups. So they all came. Hey, ladies! Welcome back! Welcome back, my friends. I gotta go shut the gate. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome. Hello. Hello, ladies. Hello. Perfect. Heck of a good day. Heck of a good day. Well, I'm sure these girls are happy to be home. They've been wanting to come home for a couple weeks here, so just gonna get this shot. They got water, they got bedding, they got shelter, they got food. We are friggin' mint. Beauty. Hey, Gray. What's up, my girl? What's up? Hello, welcome home, ladies. Welcome home. How you been? You happy? No, look at you being all, well, fine, be that way. Be that the way, big girl. Well, this is one reason we bring them back when it gets cold. It's the water. This thing's gonna get a nice workout now. Hey ladies. Yeah, they love the heated water, nice warm water. That beats the swamp or lake, eh? Yep. So there we go. Beautiful. Welcome your new guests. Don't be rude. Should I say annoy them? Crazy sheep. Look at this little chubby jammer. Fuzz, what are you doing there? You're a crazy bugger, you know that? You're just a fuzzy bugger. Well, much like this winter cattle drive, I am done. This is Aaron throwing in the towel. We will catch you next weekend with an all-new Prairie Says Ranch farm vlog. Be there or be square, my friends. As usual. Bye for now. Have yourself a fantastic week.